Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about the Crypto.com arena. The Crypto.com arena is the reason why Crypto.com's coin is going up like crazy right now. On Christmas Day, its stable center is no more signed for new mining naming rights sponsors of iconic basketball and hockey arena downtown are starting to go up before the change become official this weekend. As of Christmas Day, the change of the Staples Center Crypto.com arena will be official, but the signs on the door already reflect the venue's new name. And because of this, Crypto.com coin is skyrocketing, and I honestly think that we're gonna go back and retest its 52-week high and break it. And I think we're gonna hit a break over $1 here in the short term. Again, my opinion. And yes, I did load up some more yesterday, around 59 cents, and I think it's gonna go a lot higher. I think we're gonna hit $1, retest $1 here. We'll see if I'm right or wrong the coming days, but that's what I think is going to happen. If we look from a charting perspective, it's broken the Bollinger Band. MACD is pushing positive, and it just looks like it's going to go break 52-week high here in the short term. Bitcoin is also very looking very bullish at the moment, and I think that we're going to break 55K here by the end of this weekend. By the start of the new trading day, I think we're gonna break 55K. I think we're gonna be trading around 55, 56K, and I think Crow.com will be trading around 80 to 90 cents by Monday. My opinion only. I could totally be wrong. Maybe, so only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. Yeah. And Rose token pulled back a little bit today, which is kind of healthy. We'll see if Crypto.com and Bitcoin and Pro and the rest of the crypto market continues to pull positively. I think Rose will go back to his retest his 52-week high and maybe go higher. Hopefully, I'm gambling that will, but only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. Anyways, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay. I don't care. And hope everyone has a great day. Bye.